In the swift-paced modern life, safety and convenience have emerged as crucial pursuits for people's home lives. Particularly for you, a dependable smart lock is not merely the guardian of your home, but also a symbol of a quality lifestyle. We highly recommend the Biometric Smart Lock to you. It employs advanced biometric technology to accurately identify your fingerprints, facial features, and other biometric characteristics, thereby providing comprehensive security for your home. Compared with traditional mechanical locks, biometric smart locks possess numerous advantages. Firstly, there is no need to carry keys, completely eradicating the inconvenience of losing or forgetting keys. With just a gentle touch, you can quickly unlock the door, making your entry and exit more convenient and efficient. Secondly, biometric technology offers extremely high security. Each person's biological characteristics are unique and difficult to replicate, effectively preventing unauthorized access. At the same time, the smart lock also features multiple alarm functions, such as abnormal alarm and violent opening alarm, to construct a robust security line for your home. Choosing a biometric smart lock means choosing a safer, more convenient, and fashionable lifestyle. Let's embark on a new chapter of smart living together and safeguard your home.